Discover the powerful benefits of creating your customer avatar. Get your free template below and create your ideal customer's avatar today. Precise targeting. Get laser focused on your ideal audience with a customer avatar. Personalized approach. Customize your messaging, content, and offers to resonate with your customer avatar. Budget optimization. Maximize ad spend by targeting channels that align with your customer avatar. Customer-centric solutions. Create products that meet your avatar's needs, fostering loyalty. Authentic connections. Connect authentically by understanding and speaking your avatar's language. Exceptional experiences. Deliver personalized experiences that exceed expectations. Competitive edge. Stand out with tailored solutions for your customer avatar. Engaging content. Create captivating content tailored to your avatar's interests. Informed decisions. Use your avatar's insights to make strategic choices. Sustainable growth. Expand by targeting similar customer segments for market dominance. Get your free template below and create your ideal customer's avatar today. This is a free temporarily offer, so don't miss out. Have a nice day.